That protest that is escalating against M&S party workers who had beaten that shopkeeper in Mira Road. Traders who have taken to the streets, they're protesting against M&S assault on that shopkeeper. That incident that went viral when M&S workers assaulted that Thane shopkeeper for not speaking in Marathi. Remember, an FIR that has also been filed in this case. Let me cut across for the very latest to Deepesh Tripathi joining us on the broadcast over how the Traders Association is up in arms against the M&S.
Yes, today the Traders Association of Mira Road have been called off Bandh in the Mira Road against the M&S party and the party workers who were there, who beaten up that shopkeeper. All the Trader Association have gathered here. As you can see, the thousands of people, thousands of traders are present on the road. They are on the road right now, and they are going to start a march from here to that shop where this incident took place. We have some traders with us who are willing to speak, and they want to express the aggression against this incident. Sir, क्या
रैली निकाल के आगे चलो भाई। व्यापारी एकता जिंदाबाद, व्यापारी एकता जिंदाबाद, व्यापारी एकता जिंदाबाद,
इस घटना का निषेध
व्यापारी एकता जिंदाबाद, व्यापारी एकता जिंदाबाद।
इस घटना का विरोध कर रहे हैं
जी हम विरोध जो कर रहे हैं, हमारे डीसीपी गायकवाड़ साहब ने आके हमारा निवेदन स्वीकार किया है और हमारी मांग उन्होंने बोला, आश्वासन दिया है हमको कि वो हमारी मांग पूरी होगी। और हम पुलिस प्रशासन का सम्मान करते हुए है हम कोई भी लॉ एंड ऑर्डर डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे। हम एक व्यापारी है, हम व्यापारी की तरह ही रहेंगे, ना कि हम उनकी तरह गुंडे हैं। तो अब सबसे निवेदन है हमारे व्यापारी भाइयों से, अपना निवेदन स्वीकार जा चुका है, अब कोई भी यहाँ पे लॉ एंड ऑर्डर डिस्टर्ब ना करे।
सर, आपने क्या मांगे की है, पुलिस से क्या निवेदन?
हमारी मांगे यही थी कि उनके ऊपर जो एक्शन हुआ वो पुलिस से ही बेल हो गया होंगे। हमारी मांगे ये थी कि उनको कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई उनके ऊपर की जाए और कड़ी से कड़ी उनको पनिशमेंट दी जाए, ताकि अगली बार कोई भी व्यापारी के ऊपर वो हाथ ना उठाए। और जो हाथ उठाना है वो गलत बात है, आप मुंह से बोल सकते हो पर हात किस पे भी नहीं उठा सकते हो। आम्ही इकडे राहतो, आम्ही पण मराठी बोलतो, पण हे नाही त्याच्यामध्ये की तुम्ही आपण आमला व्यापारी भाऊला तुम्ही मारणार, हे सगळं खोटं आहे।
आपने आईटी एक्ट लगाने की भी मांग की है?
जी हमने की है।
क्या है उसमें मांग किया?
333 हाँ, उनको प्रिवेंटिव एक्ट होना चाहिए और उनको कड़ी से कड़ी बड़ी सजा मिलनी चाहिए। आईटी प्रिवेंटिव एक्ट होना चाहिए उनके ऊपर।
और चार्जशीट के लिए भी पुलिस ने कहा है वो 2 दिन में
जी उन्होंने बोला कि इस मामले में जल्द से जल्द हम चार्जशीट करेंगे।
Definitely, the traders over here have demanded to add an IT Act, and as well as the police has said that they will going to add an IT Act, and they will also file a charge sheet in this case in coming 2 days. So definitely, police is trying to minimize the situation, and they are also urging to the traders that not to take law in the hand. And the traders are also here are saying that they will also cooperate with the police. Sir, क्या कहेंगे? आपने क्या मांगे की है पुलिस से? पुलिस का क्या कहना है?
We have already stated police that a strict action should be taken against all the person who has assaulted this person. It is against a crime against a businesswoman and businessman only on the pretext that he is not able to speak Marathi. That is certainly not going to be tolerated by any person in Maharashtra or India.
Police has also said that they are going to file a charge sheet in coming 2 days.
They have assured us that they are going to file charge sheet. We have requested them to put IT Act to that extent because they have published the video with the pretext to threaten people all over India. That is not going to be tolerated by any of us.
But you are demanding a strict action, but arrest cannot be done because the maximum sentence is of 2 years.
The offence is for 2 years. Hence, we have requested for IT Act. Under the IT Act, it can be involved. It can be an offence for 5 years and above.
So yes, as you can see that the traders have demanded over here that IT Act should be added over here, and I request to my cameraman Ashish to show you the visuals that how the traders are now traders are now walking towards the shop where this incident took place, where the shopkeeper Babulal was beaten up by the M&S workers for not speaking in Marathi, and most importantly they all have gathered here to condemn this act and to make sure that such act does not happen again in the near future. Over to you.
Oh, yes, absolutely. And what has happened is completely unacceptable. In fact, this is not the first time, several times, that MNS workers have taken the law into their hands over these issues. Meanwhile, we'll take a look once again at that particular incident that had happened. This video that on your screens that has gone viral on the 29th of June, when the shopkeeper was beaten up by MNS workers over not speaking in Marathi.
महाराष्ट्र में कौन सी भाषा बोली जाती है? महाराष्ट्र में कौन सी भाषा बोली जाती है?